hell? What's up, you guys? You're back with your girl, I Rock for Life. Yes, you are back. If you came back, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. You are wonderful. You are lovely. You are powerful. You are beautiful. I love you. Today, I'm going to be trying TikTok food hacks. You guys, I am super excited. I'm gonna try 3 TikTok food hacks. Not 1, not 2, but 3. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all because I don't sugarcoat nothing around here, okay? Ain't no sugar around here. I don't sugarcoat nothing around here. I'm gonna keep it 100% real, which I'm gonna let you guys know if I think the food hacks are worth the hype or not, okay? And I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the video, my most favorite to my least favorite. Oh, you thought you thought I forgot. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm talking to you. Yeah. Gosh, y'all, the traffic is insane. Like, what time is it though? Like, whoa, why did I try to come to McDonald's? Oh, it's 5:31. Makes sense. So I am here at Mickey D's. I'm in the drive-thru, the OGs of them all. And as you guys know, the lines are crazy. For some reason, they have this one blocked off, so it's like kind of weird for us that came in this way. McDonald's ain't never got nothing together. Ice cream machines be down. You know what I'm saying? Lines be all messed up, blocked off, drive-thru all messed up. Like, why? Y'all, this lady right here just crowded me. The car in front of me. I'm just like,
he needs some milk.
I ain't going to McDonald's no more. The only reason why I go to McDonald's is for my daughter to get Happy Meals, okay? Y'all don't come for me. Don't come for me. But McDonald's don't be all that good. They breakfast, though. They breakfast is kind of hitting, though. They breakfast is kind of fire, though. But other than that, though, I don't even be messing with McDonald's. I am back. So you guys, they totally messed up on my freaking frappe. I'm gonna show you guys right now the clip of what the drink looks like on TikTok, okay?
So I saw this TikTok that said to go to McDonald's and ask for a caramel frappe and ask to add Oreos.
I specifically, with the S on it, okay? Specifically told him I wanted Oreos at the top and at the bottom. This is what I got. It looked like a regular frappe. I promise you. Like, first of all, McDonald's coffee ain't all that good. I'm sorry. But ain't all that good. But it's affordable though. Starbucks could never. Here we go. I'm gonna try it. It tastes alright. I mean, it's worth a try. I wish they would have done it the way it was on TikTok because it looked like so appealing. It looked so nice. The presentation was A1. We're on to the next TikTok food, okay? It's literally been about a week. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me how. Don't ask me when. Don't ask me where. Just know it's been about a week, okay? So don't come for me. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. So we're moving on with the TikTok foods, okay? So next we're gonna try Lizzo cereal. You guys are gonna see a TikTok of how to make Lizzo cereal and how she reacts to it.
I'm trying the coconut water berry breakfast cereal. I had blueberries, strawberries, pomegranate, coconut water. I like ice with my cereal.
Oh.
It's good.
Oh.
It's Lizzo's natural cereal, or is it nature cereal? I don't know, but it's some cereals that got just berries and water. Okay, so hello, we have our have our bowl here. She puts ice in hers, so we have ice. So we got raspberries about a week ago. Okay, half of them was gone. First of all, am I the only one? Literally, if there's something in the fridge that's there for more than 2 days, it's gone. Somebody done dug in there, got them a few with their little dirty hands. Yes. Okay. I ain't eating none of these. And I got about 5 left. Okay, so I gotta hurry up and eat them. Blackberries almost gone. Why? Why? Am I the only one? If you live at home or if you live with roommates, okay, you know, okay, people be digging in your stuff and it's like, I fight you. Don't do that. Don't mess with my food. Don't mess with my food. We got blueberries. They ain't eat these though. They ain't eat these though. Pomegranate, okay? So I'm gonna put all these in one bowl. And we got our coconut water. So that's what I'm gonna use. You can use whatever type of fruit that you want. Basically, you choose your fruit, you have your coconut water, you eat it. It's Lizzo's natural cereal, okay? So first things first, your girl better wash off. Hold on, I'm talking fast. Stop. Girl, slow it down. Bring it down. So your girl was going to wash off her fruit. I don't know about y'all, but my fruit and my vegetables have to be washed off, baby, okay? I don't eat fruit that's not washed off. Like, don't kill me. Sorry, I just don't, okay? Who else? Like this video if you wash off your fruits and your vegetables before eating them. The dogs be so disrespectful. They do not see me recording. Like, come on now. Shh, zip it, okay, before I have to zip it for you. If you guys have not seen my video on doing this hairdo, make sure you guys go watch that video. And I have my bowl of fruit, okay, because that's what it is. I have my pomegranates, I have my blueberries in this bad boy, my blackberries and my raspberries. Let me know, what's your favorite fruit? For me, I don't know. It's a tie between pomegranates and blueberries. Like, they are so freaking bomb. $5. $5 Walmart. Overall, let's talk about the price. Overall, this natural cereal, Lizzo, over $15. This is $5 by itself. This right here was, I think, $3.99. Okay, come on, somebody. $15 plus for some cereal? No. I've never tried blackberries, raspberries. I'm not a fan of them. Ew, gross. Who drinks raspberry tea? Nobody. We have our coconut water. I've never tried coconut water. Am I the only one? I've never tried coconut water a day in my life. I drink regular water. And to be Pacific. Don't y'all, am I the only one? I always say Pacific when it's really specific. Okay? Purified water. I made sure I was professional. Got the little see-through bowl for y'all, okay? So y'all can see, like, ooh. So we're gonna, like, just pour it all up in there. Yes. So we got our cereal here. We got our rich cereal. It should have been nature cereal. It should be called the rich cereal, okay? Because Jesus, this is quite a lot. So y'all see all that? Y'all see that? I mean, as far as presentation, baby, it's nice. I mean, look at me. My pinky out. Hold on. My pinky. See the pinky? Little pinky. I'm classy, y'all. I'm not sassy, bougie. I'm classy, y'all. Okay, so let's try this out. Let's try Lizzo. Well, let's see what this hit for. Y'all looking? Make sure you're looking. Make sure you like this video. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Y'all see that? I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. Y'all see that? See that? Okay. I don't know. Is it the coconut water? What the hell? Hold on. I can't. I'm sorry, y'all. Is it the what the hell? What the hell? What the heck? Coconut water? Is it the coconut water that I tasted? That was disgusting. Ew. I didn't put my whole nose in this first. Did y'all catch that? Ew, coconut water? Oh no, baby. No. I didn't even. Ew. Hold on. Didn't miss my. I'm so cute. Coconut water? Damn, this is in the fridge. It can't be old. I mean, was about a week ago. When it's gonna expire until September. Why does coconut water taste like this? Ew. I didn't get a chance. I can't eat this. $15. Down the drain. More than 15. Down the drain. I'm not eating this at all. Y'all, I'm sorry, Lizzo. Baby girl, you a great artist. Okay, you do your thing. You a bad one. But I can't get jiggy with this. No, I can't. I will gladly gosh. Who likes coconut water? Tell me, please, in the comments. Let me know. Do y'all drink this? Y'all drink this? No. This is nasty. I'm pouring this out like immediately. I should have tried this with regular water. I can't. This is nasty. I'm sorry. This is... On to the next. This is an oldie but goodie. You guys know the jalapeno with the Takis and the cream cheese. See, what happened was I've never tried it. Literally, everybody and mama have tried this but me. Do I live under a rock? I mean, Patrick. Do you need a roommate? I mean, so here we are with our washed jalapeno. Okay, we're gonna try this out. Okay, so I'll show you guys the clip of the how you guys make it on TikTok. First of all, y'all, I'm not here for the spice. Like, I'm not, your girl not, I'm spicy. I get spicy. I'll show you some attitude. I'll show you some spice. You want spice? You want attitude? Your girl got all the spice attitude that you need, baby, okay? It's hot in here. It's hot in here. I walk in the room, it get hot. Your girl's spicy. But as far as eating, I don't be eating the spice, y'all. Mild, please. Mild for me, all right? Who's with me? Who agree? I don't know at this point. I tap out. I tap out at this point, y'all. I don't know. Y'all, I'm nervous. And I can't drink this coconut water, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Jalapeno, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the top. So, do I take the seeds out? This is, it burn my nose hair. I've never had a jalapeno before. Oh, this smells spicy. I'm gonna show y'all this. This is cream cheese I bought, no telling when. Let me tell y'all, it expired. I don't be eating cream cheese like that either, y'all. I stick to my usual, okay? When I go to a restaurant and I open the menu and I sit there and look for 5 minutes, I get the same thing every time. I get the same thing every time, and I promise you, I go in every time, look at the menu like, this looks good. Oh, I would try that. Let me go get a hamburger and fries. I mean, I want some chicken nuggets and fries. That's it. I'm the type of person, okay? So I don't eat cream cheese like that. This cream cheese right here expired December 17, 2020. Why? Somebody. Is quarantine brain? What is it? Somebody tell me. It's I can't. So I had to go out. I had to go buy another cream cheese. Get this video a like, y'all. I didn't spend my coins. I didn't spend my personal coins on this video. Give this video a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe down below. Put it in there. Stick it in there. This is our Takis right here. This is our Takis. Y'all. It was me. I confess. I'm guilty. Y'all, like I said, I started this video about a week ago. Okay. So I've been eating on this every single day for about a week. A little nibble here, a little nibble there. Your girl got about a good 5 left. Like, look at this. I don't even like spice. But y'all, sometimes spices, Takis, in my opinion, are not as hot as hot Cheetos. I'm sorry. It's facts. Some Takis be having a lot more powder than some. The ones with the more powder, of course, is always better. And this one right here, got it from Albertsons, bussin'. So we're gonna just go ahead and put the Takis in there. We gonna put a few, y'all. I'm nervous. Y'all scared of me? I'm nervous, y'all. Like, I ain't never had a jalapeno, and I know that jalapenos are hot, and I'm just. This actually looks good. Somebody get drum roll, please. Somebody.
He needs some milk.
Cold water right here. I can't even lie, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This is kind of good. It's a little spicy, but for those of you that do not like spice, I recommend trying this one. This was actually pretty good. You got the crunch. You get the crunch from the Takis. You got the creaminess from the cream cheese. You know what I'm saying? That balances that heat, okay? Then you got the crunchiness once again from the outside of the jalapeno. I say try it. We tried the Oreo Frappe, the Oreo Caramel Frappe from McDonald's. We tried Lizzo's natural cereal. We tried the Takis with jalapenos and cream cheese. So I'm gonna rate them real quick. I'm gonna rate them. Out of the three, y'all, this win. This my number one. Hold on. This right here was super good, and I recommend you guys just try it if you want to. It's affordable. It's not that expensive. It's good. It's really good. You guys are gonna like it. The second for me would be the McDonald's Oreo McFlurry. That was good, and that was worth trying. That was worth trying. Lastly, Lizzo cereal. Period. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you. I love you. It's too expensive for me. Okay. Cause I can eat the cereals at home. Okay, $1.99, $2.49. You know what I'm saying? I can cereals at home. This was too expensive, and on top of that, y'all, but that coconut water, it's just ain't for me. It's just I can't. That is going straight down the drain. Okay, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video. Make sure you guys like this video right now. I want you to take your finger, thumbs up this video, okay? Make sure you guys comment down below and make sure you are subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys oh so much, and bye-bye.